In this next section, we're going to be looking at simplifying, evaluating, and translating expressions. We'll start with a review of order of operations. Remember that this was an accepted procedure for how you would determine which operations in an expression to simplify first. You may have heard the acronym PEMDAS, or Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally, to help you remember the order of operations. The P stands for parentheses, but it could really be any grouping symbol, which would include brackets or maybe even a fraction bar. The E stands for exponents, but could really include radicals as well, because radicals could be written as exponents. M and D go together, multiplication and division. You do those as they appear from left to right, so not necessarily multiplication before division, but as they appear left to right. So you might divide before you multiply. And then A and S for addition and subtraction. That's the same way with the M and the D. You do addition and subtraction left to right. It's not necessarily that the addition comes before subtraction. So let's try an example here. So if I'm going through PEMDAS, there are no grouping symbols, there is no P. So then I can move on to the E for exponent, and there are also no exponents. And then next would be the M and D for multiply, divide, and I do have a division problem. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Then I'll copy the rest of the problem around it. And last would be adding and subtracting. Remember, you don't necessarily add before subtract, but you do them from left to right. So first I would do this addition problem on the left and copy the rest of the problem, and then simplify.